Good day, people. Good day. It's my first time over here at the Baltimore ports. You can see a little naval ships. Getting ready to get loaded up over here and head up to New York State, the home of the brave. So that we can be with my natives, my A1 and Day ones this weekend to celebrate my cousin Yvette's 40th birthday. We're gonna get it rockin'. But yeah, I ain't want nothing special. Just wanted y'all to, I knew I could have came through there. See where I'm at. Over here, shipyards. Getting ready to get some, what looks like is going to be a whole lot of flour. Look at that in there. Woo! Looks like they got some heavy security in there, so I'm not going to show too much, get myself in trouble. But that's where I'm at. Sky is blue, real blue. And I just got a new toy, 2 new toys to help with the capturing of these wonderful views, the scenery from the road, so I can share with y'all. So I'm just testing something out. Alright? Going here. My paperwork to get myself loaded up. And then we got about 7.5 hours of drive time for today up to Glen Falls, New York. And we're gonna be chilling. Should be a nice smooth ride. The weather is decent. Feels good out here. Skies look clear. And everything should be smooth. Shout out to my brother, Mr. Fix-It, and his family in the Orlando area, prepping for Hurricane Martin. What is the name of it? Monica? Is it Hurricane Monica? Something that's moving, kind of quick down there, and starting to get more serious for them. The locals there prepping for this storm. They are projected to get hit pretty bad the next 2 days. So we are praying for him and everybody else. And we know that everybody's going to be okay for the most part. And but that's what today is. All right, we're gonna keep it moving. Truckin' and Lovin', Larry L.O.V. I got some valuable information to share with y'all real soon. All right, let me get to work.